DIY Ocean Playset. What you need: Play-Doh, plastic containers, ocean figurines, glass gems or stones, craft foam. I'm using a pencil box as a container for my playset. I cut a piece of craft foam to fit the bottom of the box. Design the ocean however you'd like. Use your imagination. What stories can you tell or write about your ocean playset? Can you do stop motion animation using your playset? When you are done playing, be sure to clean up. I have another smaller container that fits inside my pencil box. I'm going to store my ocean figurines and my glass gems inside there. I'll be sure to put the Play-Doh away to use another time. What other playsets could you make with items you already have? Share your ocean playset with your friends and family. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun activities.